Hi guys, today is Sunday and I just got ready because we are going to a car show. We are just going to follow a bunch of Mustangs to a car show, and I'll show you a little bit, and then when we come back I'll talk to you guys a little later. Hello guys, today is Sunday and I know I haven't vlogged in a while, but today I decided to vlog just for a little bit. Right now we are making breakfast. Hubby is making pancakes and bacon and what else, babe? Eggs? Eggs?
Yeah.
Here's the bacon, and then he will be putting in the eggs in a little bit. I am making arroz con leche right here. Still not done. So yeah. It was funny, I don't know. So we don't really have anything planned for today aside from just chilling here at home. My daughter has her best friend is staying with us for a couple of days because her parents are out of town, so we are kind of babysitting or taking care of another human being at the moment. So we might not have anything planned, but if we end up going somewhere or doing something fun, I'll take you guys along with us. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. Hi guys, so we haven't decided to go anywhere, to be honest, but I was thinking of just cleaning my car from the interior. This is what I will be using, King Ranch Saddle Shop. This is to clean the leather. I got it at my job. This leather conditioner softens, protects, and beautifies. So this is what I will be using. And hubby has a bunch of these little rags, disposable rags, so I'll be using those. So I will be cleaning my car for a little while, and then I'll see you guys a little later. Hi guys, so we didn't end up going nowhere. Right now we're just gonna go ahead and get pizza for the kids so they can have pizza for lunch and for dinner. We almost always do this on Sundays. So yeah, my daughter right now, she's doing her chores.
No.
She's just doing the dishes. So that is it for today. I'm sorry this vlog is pretty short and pretty boring, but I will try to vlog throughout the week and then upload it whenever I feel like I have enough footage. So I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye guys.